Good afternoon. This is Tatoli News Agency bringing you the latest updates from Timor-Leste and around the world. The Ministry of Finance announces measures to enhance coordination with development partners. The quarterly Development Partners meeting was held at the Ministry of Finance, a key event aimed at strengthening collaboration between government institutions and development partners. A major highlight of today's meeting was the formal announcement of the creation of the Inter-Ministerial Sectoral Development Coordination Commissions under Government Regulations No. 43, 2024. The Vice Minister of Finance emphasized that these commissions will play a vital role in ensuring all external development assistance is aligned with Timor-Leste's National Strategic Development Plan. By improving coordination, the government aims to create a clear, long-term result framework across all sectors, better account for partner contributions, and deliver real, sustainable impact for communities across the country. The Ministry of Finance, together with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, will provide technical and secretarial support for these commissions, ensuring that projects are effectively managed, aid is transparently monitored, and partnerships remain strong and accountable. Today's announcement reaffirms the government's commitment to building a future where every development project contributes meaningfully to national priorities. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.